Once again, welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. Coronavirus updates. India records 30,757 fresh COVID-19 cases. Porcupine invasion in Kashmir, almond, apple orchards, thousands of trees damage. India first water taxi services between South Mumbai and the satellite city of Navi Mumbai were flagged off virtually by Chief Minister Uday Thackeray. Temperatures set to rise across country next fortnight after wet winters. Weather Office. A man and a woman were killed in a fire that broke out in a spa center by a short circuit in Noida on Thursday, officials said. And now some international news. US says Iran must show its seriousness as nuclear talks in Vienna are in the final stages. Donald Trump must testify in New York civil fraud probe, judge orders. Russia attack on Ukraine possible in next several days, says Joe Biden. Atmospheric pressure on Pluto's surface 80,000 times less than Earth, a study says. And now some sports news. Beijing Winter Olympics 2022, Kamila Valieva fourth in skating as doping scandal takes toll. Novak Djokovic eager for Dubai comeback after vaccine controversy. Indian footballer great Surjit Sen Gupta dies, Mamata Banerjee leads tribute. And these were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.